All right, let's talk about something I think we've all felt. You know when you're using AI and it feels like a total gamble? Like 1 minute it's absolutely brilliant, and the next it's just a complete waste of time. Well, if that sounds familiar, this explainer is exactly for you. We're going to take all that chaos and turn it into a structured, really powerful collaboration. So let's dive right into a 30-day plan that is designed to systematically, and I mean systematically, level up your AI skills. So, here's the game plan. First, we're going to pinpoint what I call the AI collaboration gap. Then, we'll get really clear on what a great AI partnership actually looks like. After that, I'll walk you through a step-by-step 30-day roadmap and the couple of essential tools you'll need to get started. And finally, we'll wrap up by looking at the incredible payoff at the end of all this. Okay, first step, the AI collaboration gap. This is that feeling of frustration when you know a tool should be making your life easier, but you're just not getting the results you need. It's that space between what you want it to do and what it's actually doing. We're going to build a bridge right over that gap. So let's just be real for a second. Is your AI use right now more chaos than it is collaboration? Are you spending ages tweaking and rewriting prompts only to get wildly inconsistent outputs? And you're never really sure if you can trust the results, right? If you're nodding along right now, trust me, you are absolutely not alone. And this slide really lays it all out, doesn't it? It's like two different worlds. Over on the left, you've got that haphazard approach. It's a gamble. You're constantly rewriting, you're never sure what you're going to get. But on the right, that's our goal. That's the destination. We're talking systematic collaboration. It feels like a genuine partnership, giving you reliable, high-quality results every single time. That is the transformation we're shooting for. Okay, so if that's the goal, let's get really specific. What does good AI collaboration actually look like? What's our North Star here? Because I can tell you it's a whole lot more than just getting lucky with a great prompt every once in a while. A really great way to think about this is with something called the PAICE framework. It's not just about P for performance, getting good results. It's also about A for accountability. That means you own the final product. You're not just blindly trusting the AI. Then there's I for integrity, using these tools ethically and responsibly. C is for collaboration, because this isn't just about you and the AI. It's about how you work with other people on these projects. And finally, E for evolution. You've got to commit to learning as this tech keeps changing, because it's not slowing down. Every single one of these pieces is absolutely crucial for real mastery. And look, when you nail this, the benefits are not some fuzzy theoretical thing. They are real and they are huge. We're talking about massive gains in your time efficiency. We're talking about a serious jump in the quality of your work. And maybe most excitingly, a huge expansion of what you are even capable of tackling. So, the million-dollar question is, how do we actually get there? Well, this is the core of what we're talking about today. I'm going to give you a clear, structured 30-day roadmap that is designed to take you from wherever you are now to exactly where you want to be. We've broken this whole journey down into 4 simple, super manageable weeks. Week 1, that's all about building a solid foundation. You got to know the basics, what it can do, what it can't do. In week 2, we start developing those core skills, really getting into the weeds. By week 3, you're mastering advanced stuff. We're talking about creating these cool multi-step workflows, maybe even having the AI critique its own work to make it better. Then, in that final week, week 4, it all comes together. You integrate and systematize everything until this powerful collaboration becomes a totally natural part of your daily workflow. All right, any great plan needs the right tools, right? But don't worry, you don't need to go out and buy a bunch of fancy, expensive software. We're going to focus on the 2 most essential tools you can start building for yourself, like today. Tool number 1 is your prompt library. And seriously, this is your secret weapon. I'm not just talking about saving a prompt that says, summarize this. No way. Think bigger. Imagine having a saved prompt where you ask the AI to act as a skeptical CFO, analyze a bunch of sales data, pinpoint 3 major risks, and then, this is the best part, propose a data-backed solution for each one. A prompt like that, saved and ready to go, is an absolute game changer. It's a massive time saver, and it guarantees that consistent, high-quality output we've been talking about. Okay, tool number 2 is your verification checklist. And let me be super clear. This one is non-negotiable. At the end of the day, you are accountable for the final work. This checklist is your safety net. It's your personal quality control process to make sure that anything the AI generates is accurate, high quality, and appropriate before you hit send. You're asking things like, does this actually sound like me? Are these facts correct? Is the tone right for my audience? This step right here is what builds trust. both in the AI and in your own work. So we've talked about the problem, we've defined the goal, we've laid out the 30-day plan, and we've got our 2 essential tools. Now, let's bring it all home. Let's look at the real payoff, the actual, tangible transformation you can expect to see after just 30 days. I mean, just look at this. By the end of this journey, this is what you'll have accomplished. You will have developed real systematic AI skills. You'll have built out your own powerful prompt library. You'll have a rock-solid verification and quality process in place. Your workflows will be efficient and repeatable. But honestly, the biggest things are these last 2. You will have gained genuine confidence in collaborating with AI, and you will see measurable, real-world improvements in your productivity and the quality of your work. So there you have it. That's the roadmap, the exact path from chaos to collaboration. The plan is right here in front of you. The only question left is, your 30-day journey can start right now. So what's your day 1 going to be?